Section 1. Venn diagrams, your ticket to GCSE maths success. Venn diagrams, they sound a bit intimidating, don't they? But trust me, they're not as scary as they seem. In fact, mastering Venn diagrams can give you a real edge in your GCSE maths exams. They're like secret weapons for tackling probability and set theory questions. So are you ready to unlock their power? Let's dive in. Section 2. Unlocking sets and probability. What exactly are Venn diagrams, you ask? Imagine a group of your favorite things. Maybe it's books, video games, or types of pizza. A Venn diagram helps us visually organize these groups, which we call sets. The magic happens when we see which items belong to multiple sets. This is where probability comes in, as we can use the diagrams to calculate the likelihood of something happening. Section 3. Common Venn diagram dilemmas. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Venn diagrams sound confusing. Many students feel the same way. Some struggle with placing items in the right sections. Others find it tricky to work out the numbers in the overlapping parts. But don't worry. With a bit of practice, you can overcome these hurdles. Section 4. Cracking the Venn diagram code. Let's break it down. A Venn diagram usually starts with two overlapping circles. Each circle represents a set, the overlapping part. That's where items belonging to both sets go. Anything outside the circles doesn't belong to either set. Think of it like sorting your socks. One circle is for stripy socks, the other for blue socks. The overlap is for stripy blue socks, and anything outside is for other socks. Section 5. Mastering Venn diagrams, a worked example. Time for a real GCSE-style question. Imagine 30 students, 18 like football, let's call this set F. 15 like rugby, set R, 7 like both. We draw two overlapping circles, F and R. The overlap gets 7. To find the sections unique to each sport, subtract the 7 from 18 for football and from 15 for rugby. That leaves 11 solely liking football and 8 solely liking rugby. Outside both circles goes anyone liking neither sport. 30 total students minus 11 minus 7 minus 8 equals 4. Now, what's the probability a random student likes only rugby? It's the number who solely like rugby divided by the total number of students, 8 divided by 30, which simplifies to 4/15. Section 6. Recap key takeaways for Venn diagram victory. Remember, clearly label your sets. Carefully fill in each section, remembering the overlaps. Always check if your numbers add up to the total given in the problem, and for probability questions, divide the specific group you're looking at by the overall total. Section 7. Ready to ace your exams. Venn diagrams might seem tricky at first, but they're powerful tools for understanding sets and probability. With practice, you'll be a Venn diagram master in no time, so grab those practice papers and get started. You've got this.